Christmas to all of you. Ho, 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 ho. Hello, good morning. Have a pleasant blessings New Year to all of you. There are many ways to celebrate Christmas. It doesn't contain the money. You can celebrate without money. To just go around to your city park or playground and enjoy looking the Christmas lights, lanterns and everything you can see in the Christmas decorations. Why Christmas is the best occasion in all places? It's because it can remove stress, enjoyable and relaxing. The way we hear music and also the lights, the way we see that, it was like, oh, so relaxing. I'm gonna show you a Christmas video. Check this out, guys. Once again, Merry Christmas to all of you.